Hi, I'm Matt from Millennium Glass. This video is a guide on how to approximately measure your wardrobe sliding doors so you can order online or get a quick quote over the phone. First off, you need a tape measure, pen and notepad to write your dimensions of your opening sizes. Start measuring with your height. Use a stepladder if needed. Measure from the floor to the top of the opening. Once you have this measurement, please write it down on your notepad. Using the same procedure, measure your width from left to right to record your width measurements next to your height measurement. Once you have these two measurements, you are ready to give us a call for a quote or jump onto our website at www.goldcoastwardrobedoors.online and put your order in. When ordering online, select the height and width options that your measurements fall within. And please be sure to select the install option, which will prompt us to come out and do a check measure for you. Once your order is placed, you'll be contacted within 24 hours to organize a date and time for a quick site visit to do a final site measure. However, if you are confident in your DIY abilities, please click the link below and learn how to measure for a supply-only order and install your own wardrobe doors. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for choosing Millennium Glass.